everyone. Today we are going to learn Power BI different charts. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to open our Power BI and we have to import the Excel file for which we want to perform or generate the bars or charts for it. Okay, so for that we have to go to Excel workbook. Suppose these are the files which I have downloaded in my system. So let me import this file. Suppose if I want to select this and click on open. These files are getting imported in the Power BI. Now this is has imported. Now let me select. Once we select, it will load the all the data here. Okay. Now once we click on this, we have to load the data. Okay. Now this has been loaded here. So list of orders, it has been added. So if you want to generate any chart using the Excel file, so basically Power BI is a visualization tool which helps you to visualize the data in different formats. For example, charts or graph or columns. So these are the formats for using that we can view the data. It is easy to understand and analyze the data. So let's get started. So for today I'm going to use this order. Okay. And I will generate the bar chart for it. So let me select this stack bar chart here. Okay. So now I have selected. Now I want to put some data over here. So for that, I have to select the x-axis and y-axis. So this is y-axis and this is x-axis. So for which I have to select, for example, if I select region here in the y-axis, okay, and now I want to select the product container. Okay, so let's product container. Okay, see now this chart has been generated. So each what I can say regions is central, east, west, south. These are the regions, and the container are the product container. See central, the product container 556 and 474. So like this has been generated. Now if I want to swap these values, for example, if I want to swap this value, for example, let's say I want to see x-axis region. Okay, so let's drop it in the x-axis region, and I want to see the container, product container in y-axis. So this, okay, so see here. Now again, these are the which we can say the product container, small box, wrap box. So these are the containers, and here regions. So I can say this is count of region. And so according to your preferences, you can make it full image or the short image as well. Okay, so this is one we can say the layout we have generated, visualize the data. You can generate like this way multiple what I can say charts. For example, if I want to create another chart, so I can do again. So for example, if I say select x-axis sales, okay, now I want to select the region for it. So see, this is another one more chart I have generated here. So this way you can generate multiple charts over here and visualize your data. Okay, I hope you will like it this video. If you like, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.